Hi everyone, I'm Tommy. Welcome to Tommy Teaches AI and Excel. So today I'll be teaching you some basic Excel and some quick maths. First, let me introduce you to some Excel interface. On my screen, you can see that this is a cell, and when you tap this, it shows you the rows of the cell, and this is a column. I'm going to show you some quick maths in Excel. First, I'm going to put some numbers in A2 and B2. Now I'm going to go on to C2 and put in equals to A2 plus B2, and that gives 11. Now let's try some subtraction. Just put some numbers in A3 and B3. Now in C3, I'm going to put in A3 minus B3. That should give us 2. So for multiplication, we're just going to do 6 and 5. And then in C4, we're going to write equals to A4 times B4, which gives us 30. And we're just going to do some division last. In A5, we're going to put 9. And in B5, we're going to put 3. So, equals to A5 divided by B5, which gives us 3. Alright class, that's all. That was basic Excel and simple arithmetic in Excel. Thank you. Bye. See you next video.